Do you want to know how you can log into your Netspend Estub account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host Beck again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Estub account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar search for Netspend Estub login. Now scroll and you can find Estub. Click on Estub and it will lead you to the official login portal of Netspend Estub. Go ahead and write down your username and password which is associated with Netspend Estub and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Netspend Estub account. Make sure that your password and the username matches the account which you have, and then after you write down your username and password, click login. This way you can log in to your Netspend Estub account. If you have forgotten your password and want to access FAQs, these are the links you want to follow through. I hope this video about how you can log into your Netspend Estub account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.